Hi fam, hope you stayed warm this week and enjoyed your snow day. We are so excited to see all of the friends we missed yesterday. We loved the cold weather, but we hated to miss out on Not Yet Noon. We couldn't wait until next Thursday to enjoy everyone's company at our weekly student luncheon, so we had a rain check luncheon Friday. We all chowed down on some walking tacos and swapped snow stories. The Native American Student Association's meeting got snowed out yesterday too. Check out their social media updates to stay informed about their upcoming events and volunteer opportunities. Be sure to come to their next meeting on February 21st at 6:30 in Life Sciences East 105. Choctaw Nation Teach to Reach Program Director Kelly Brain met with OSU Elementary Education Senior Caitlin Wood in the center this week. Caitlin is the first recipient of the Teach to Reach grant at Oklahoma State University. Choctaw Nation's Teach to Reach program's goal is to provide support and professional development for Native Americans who aspire to complete a bachelor's degree in education. The program also helps participants meet all requirements for full state certifications or license as an Oklahoma teacher. This funding's focus is to train more Native Americans to enter teacher education programs and become highly qualified educators. Stop by the Center for Sovereign Nations if you're interested in learning more about this program. OSU Economic Senior and N7 Director Suki Khosla and Senior Career Coordinator for OSU Athletics Joanna Harding stopped by the center to explore collaboration opportunities for N7 Youth Movement Field Day. This day is an educational and active field day opportunity for Native American students around the state of Oklahoma in grades 3rd through 8th. It is a wonderful way for young American Indians to get excited about learning to be healthy and active. We are thrilled to help celebrate culture and promote a healthy, active lifestyle in collaboration with this event. Center Mentor and Ambassador at Large for the Chickasaw Nation, Neil McCaleb, is being inducted to the OSU Hall of Fame tonight. This is the highest honor bestowed by Oklahoma State University, and it recognizes alumni and former students with outstanding lifetime achievements in society and professional life. Thank you, Mr. McCaleb, for your continued support of OSU. Stop by the center or check us out on social media to learn more about our upcoming events. Stay warm this weekend.